Okay, welcome to this final lecture at the whiteboard. Are you excited yet? Because this is the lecture where I'm going to reveal basically how this whole strategic system works, and that's what it's all about. Okay, so this is the exact same business I use to make my money online. It's exactly, I'm just going to hand it to you for free to copy and implement it for yourself so you get the same results as I do. It has proven itself as something that basically, as I told you in the previous lecture, it gives people a really good reason to use ClickFunnels, and does that without being salesy or pushy, okay? And actually, it actually helps people. It's not like this, we're not deceiving people over here. It's about, putting, a strategic system together that is really smart and funneling people to use ClickFunnels, right? And I have that system. I'm going to give it to you. And here's how it works, okay? So, first of all, this is going to might be a little bit complicated at first, but instead of us sending traffic, right? This is us, once again, okay? Instead of us sending traffic straight to our link, which is our ClickFunnels sign-up page, okay? We sent them to our strategic system, okay? Which then sends them to the ClickFunnels sign-up page, okay, with your unique affiliate link, right? So we don't want to do this, okay? We want to do this, right? And here's how the strategic system works. So there's a couple of pages in the strategic system. It's not just one page, it's a couple. Okay, so this is the first page. Okay. Basically, the first page you send your traffic to with this system offers people an opportunity to learn about how they can make a passive online income stream. Okay, so basically the same value proposition as this course. Okay, there's a video on it, and then there's some text, and then there's a form where people can put their email address, and then there's a button, right, where people can unlock a 1-hour training class that you can use to provide value for people, because I'm just handing it to you. Okay, so it's a 1-hour training class, spread out on 5 pages. It's basically our strategic funneling system. Okay, first page, as I said, there's this video telling people about, hey, do you want to learn how to make passive income online, which basically is completely automated, okay? So once people go through that, your visitors land here, they put in their email, okay? And then they click next. So they're put to this page, which is the second page, which is, hey, awesome. Now, let's get started with your training. There's the second video, okay? And then there's this video explaining, basically, people to make passive income online, right? By promoting ClickFunnels. So you see where I'm going with this? It's basically the same concept as this whole online course, but it's crunched together in like this built for you system that you can just plug in and use, okay? So it tells them, hey, this is the way you promote ClickFunnels, you earn recurring commissions, right? The same thing I told you about, okay? And then people can sign up for ClickFunnels because that's basically what is needed to make this work. So our whole strategic system, right, which people can use and you can use, is a system in itself, but it needs a platform to run on, right? And that platform is ClickFunnels, okay? So people are directed to sign up with ClickFunnels Okay, so they're sent over here, okay? Right? Because they need ClickFunnels in order to plug the system in and make commissions with that, okay? So, and then once they did that, there's a third page explaining how they import this strategic system. They go through themselves right now, so it's a perpetual system, as you can see, how they can import this entire system for free into their ClickFunnels account, right? Where this is hosted, and you can send people into your own version of this funnel, okay? And if I confuse you, which I think I might do at times, please ask questions in the Q&A, and I'm here for you to help you out with this, okay? And once we're on the computer, I think some things might clear up a bit. Anyway, then there's this button, and then this video says, this is how you import your strategic machine. And it sends them to a link where, people can implement this entire system into their ClickFunnels page. Then, once they did that, there's a fourth page telling people about how they can drive traffic to their ClickFunnels affiliate offer, okay? So it tells them, okay, you got your system set up, okay? You promote ClickFunnels, you got your ClickFunnels account, you got your system. Now we need to send traffic for people to go through that system, okay? Then it redirects them to, this one traffic page where you can buy traffic, and another, and it basically, it's basically a training guide on how to make recurring monthly commissions, okay? And once they did that, there's this final page, okay? And saying, thank you very much, you completed your training, here's some additional resources, if you want to check them out, now you're good to go, okay? So this might seem overwhelming and not quite make sense at all at first, okay? But basically, it's a system within a system, okay? So in this course, we're talking about how to make passive money online by promoting ClickFunnels, okay? And the way we are going to do that is by driving visitors to this strategic system, which tells them how they can earn money online, passive income, by promoting ClickFunnels. Okay, so it's like a downline that goes all the way down, in perpetual motion. So you see, the thing is, when we drive traffic to this, okay, let's say we drive 100 people straight to the sign up page, 5 people sign up, okay? That's a 5% conversion rate. Now, if we drive 100 people to this, okay, so 100 people see this first page, okay, everybody wants to make money online, right? Everybody wants to find a way to work from home and, enjoy some freedom, not being tied to a 9-to-5 job. So most likely there's like 70% of people, so 70 out of those 100 will opt in and say, hey, okay, show me how, okay? And then on that very page, there's your ClickFunnels affiliate link, okay? Which I show you how to do all of that, don't worry. So out of those 70, maybe 35 decide, awesome, I'm going with ClickFunnels because that's what I need in order to put this system in place, okay? So as you can see, in comparison, this is 5 signups, this is 35 signups. So you instantly increase your results by 7 times, which is just fantastic, okay? So now I've taken away every single bit and piece of work from you except for driving traffic, okay? So we found yourself a product to promote, which is ClickFunnels. We have a strategic system, which I'm giving to you for free. And the only thing left is for you to drive traffic to that offer, okay? And I'm going to show you how to do that too. So you're good. You're set up for success with this. Okay, now this entire funnel, this entire strategic system is called the Secret Affiliate Machine. That's how it's called, okay? The Secret Affiliate Machine. And in case you're still kind of confused and don't know where I'm going with this, I would urge you to check it out for yourself, okay? So go to smartfunnelhacks.com. Okay, go to smartfunnelhacks.com and check out, and this will take you right here to the first page, okay? And I would recommend you walk through all of these steps, okay? You don't need to implement what is said in the videos, because that's what we are going to do in depth in this course. You know, once we go to the computer, you can, it's up to you. But I think if you go through and see for yourself what this Secret Affiliate Machine, which is our strategic system to funnel people to using ClickFunnels, you know, if you check this out on the computer, I think a lot of things will be clarified. And yeah, so your task now is go to smartfunnelhacks.com, okay? Go through each of these pages, have a good look at them, watch the videos, okay? So you kind of understand the idea of how this funnel makes people want to use ClickFunnels because they make money with it, okay? Yeah, so, and once you did that, I welcome you to come back to this course. You know, you can open a new tab and go to Smart Funnel Hacks and leave this tab open and jump into the next lecture, because that's going to be on the computer, and that's when we are going to get our hands dirty and implement what we have learned in theory, okay? So I'm very proud of you that you've gotten so far, and that you know, you're listening. Hopefully you're taking notes. If it overwhelms you, okay, go back, rewatch every single video. If it helps you, if it's unclear, ask me questions. Go to smartfunnelhacks.com and check out the strategic system for yourself, so you get a better idea of how it works, okay? And the next step is going to be how you actually implement this whole stuff and how we get you results within 14 days with this system, okay? So thank you very much for being so patient with me, for you know, allowing me to repeat myself way too often, and yeah, for your time being in this theory section. You know, a lot of people don't take the time to learn the basic structure before practically implementing something. But you did it, and I'm proud of you. And okay, let's do it on the computer, and let's make some money.